Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Enovin Foods. Today we are making a chilled fruit summer drink with sago, a refreshing and creamy treat perfect for hot summer days and iftar. Let's get started. First, take 2 cups of milk in a saucepan and let it boil. Tag a friend who needs a refreshing summer treat. You can replace regular milk with coconut or almond milk for a dairy-free version. Now add half cup sugar and stir until fully dissolved. In a separate bowl, take 1/4 cup milk and mix 1 tablespoon custard powder until smooth. Hit the subscribe button for more quick and delicious recipes. Slowly pour the custard mixture into the boiling milk while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens slightly. Then turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. Let the custard cool completely before adding fruits to keep them fresh. Now let's prepare the sago or tapioca pearl. Boil some water in a pan and add half cup sago. Sago or tapioca pearls are naturally gluten-free and packed with energy. Cook until the pearl turn completely transparent, then drain and set them aside. Now in a big bowl, take the cooled custard milk, add the cooked sago pearls and mix well. Time to add fresh fruits. Add 1/4 cup of apple, 1/4 cup of black grapes, 1/4 cup strawberries, 1/4 cup green grapes, 1/4 cup pomegranate, and 1/4 cup banana. Give it a good mix and refrigerate for at least 2 hours for a perfectly chilled summer drink. Use a mix of crunchy and juicy fruits for better texture. Try this chilled fruit summer drink today and share your experience in the comments. Adding a scoop of vanilla ice cream takes this drink to the next level. Your chilled fruit summer drink with sago is ready. Creamy, fruity, and super refreshing. Just what you need for summer days. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Enovin Foods for more amazing recipes. Happy cooking!